Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Connie with the Painted Photographer. Welcome to my 12 days of thrifted Christmas. Each day I'm taking thrifted, forgotten items and giving them new life with a little creativity, a touch of old-fashioned charm, and of course, some holiday magic. If you love DIY, thrift shopping, and turning simple finds into beautiful Christmas items, you're in the right place. So let's jump in and create something together. I'll see you at the end.
For today's project, I'm going to take this wood tote that I had gotten from my girlfriend. She had thrifted it. It had an engraved heart on one side, and it has this funky little label area here, and then it also had some words on it. I sanded everything down so that I'd have a good surface for the DIY's cottage color in garden sage. This is a beautiful, beautiful vintage green color. When you work with the cottage colors, they are a one-step paint. You do have to stir them because they do separate. So you have to make sure that you stir them very, very well, and you'll have much better results if you take that time to stir all of those parts that have separated in. And you're going to go in with 2 to 3 coats of the cottage colors. But remember, they are a one-step paint and you do not have to seal them. So adding the extra third coat sometimes if it needs it is totally worth it. So this was one coat and I am going on with the second one. You can see that label design on there. I am okay with it. I think we're going to cover it up and I'm only going to do one side of this tote. I'm doing it in green, giving it a look that can go all year round and not just at Christmas time. So using the Saint Germain transfer, this page, I did not like that foofy stuff on the top of those roses. It took me a long time to figure out how I was going to use this transfer. And remember, with the IOD transfers, you can cut them up any way that you want. So I am actually going to cut off that grass. I guess it's a decorative grass on the top there. I'm going to cut that off on both of them, and then I'm going to place them together onto the tote, and this is going to give it a my own design of the roses and not necessarily using what IOD had in its plan. So I'm going to place it on the side with the engraving for the label. And then this one I'm going to cut out and then piece these together. And then with the leftover roses from some of the transfer, the Saint Germain transfer, it fills in the center and you don't even know that you have created your own look. With an IOD transfer, if this is your first time using them, that comes with an application stick that you lay it down and you press on the stick and the image comes off onto your project. And using the DIY cottage colors, the transfers come off so easy. It's like hardly any work at all for those transfers to come off onto that one step paint, and that is a great surface for using transfers. And after you peel them off, sometimes if you didn't get some of the transfer to stick, just lay it back down, rub again, and that transfer will stick down there. And then when you peel them off, you have to burnish them. This is called burnishing. You take this backer and you just rub over top of the transfer, and that gets all of the bubbles and it makes it adhere to your project for a lifetime.
Here we are, a cold December night, snowflakes fall, wonderful, magical, it's that time when everybody smiles, eyes are shining bright. I still remember how I used to feel
After the tote was all burnished, I came in with my finger sander and I sanded the edges of that transfer to make it look like it had been on there for a while. And then I'm also kind of a not so bright um, transfer girl, so I take a very fine grit sandpaper and just sand over the top of them to give them a little bit more age. Now I added the roses text from the Rose Botanical transfer, and I also had to sand a little bit of the edges a bit more. And now I'm going in with my DIY dark wax. And you can go straight in with dark wax when you are using Cottage Colors. There is no reason to seal it or add the clear wax. The Cottage Colors is a one-step paint. And what we need to do is we need to seal in this transfer. So we're sealing it in with the dark wax, which gives it a really good age look. And this tote is ready for your Christmas holiday, but it can move right on into spring and summer.
Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. Picking out the leaves on the crooked Christmas trees. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. For you. Just to spend some good old time with my family.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this project, let me know in the comments. I love hearing from each and every one of you. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the 12 days of Thrifted Christmas. If you need any of the products I used here today, you can find them at thepaintedphotographer.com and I'll ship them right to your front door. And until next time, happy painting.